nothing like the authority sound of the American muscle. I've got a few guys downtown that won't let me in their parkades because I set off all the car alarms as I go by. Probably violates most noise regulations, let's put it that way. Shelby was a race driver and he took Fords to the next level. The average Mustang was a small V8. This car has a 428 cubic inch V8. So it's got anti-sway, it's got disc brakes. It was very modern for its time. It's the first car that ever had shoulder straps. And of course, as you can see, it's got a roll bar on it. Those were all considered, state-of-the-art and definitely racing oriented. So it handles very well. It is still an American car, so it rides a little higher than today's sports cars. Today's cars, you can get as many horsepower, it's a little quieter and probably better acceleration than this car, but just that raw power feel of it, for sure. Plus, it's a head spinner. Like wherever I go, people turn around and take a look at the car, and it's closing 50 years old here, and the car still gets its share of looks. I've had it since 2001, so it's coming up to its 50th anniversary in 2018, and it's been a joy to drive. I guess they sell it when I die. I don't know if anybody wants to drive a car that's this loud and this noisy, but yeah, I don't think I can sell this car.